So this is an Audi A5. I'm going to change that shocker leg there. So it's a matter of undoing this bolt, and then we'll follow it up at the top once we took the wheel off. So I've removed the plastic wheel caps, and you see I've extracted the locking wheel nut, which is here. Obviously got a tool for it in your boot. Then it's a matter of a long bar and a 17mm socket. So I've jacked it up, handbrake on, and it's supported underneath. So this is the plastic cap I actually removed before. So you pull it off, you can get to the shocker bolt. You can now see the whole shocker. This one's actually okay. The other one was leaking, so I'm changing them as a pair. So I'll just show you how to get to that top. So that's where we need to get underneath here. So we've got two plastic clips, strange looking things, a bit awkward, but the idea is, I think, is you're supposed to prise that off there, up, and then slide it out, slide it up. That's the two clips when they're off, and as you can see, them now moved, which now means I can actually pull this out the way, and you can see I can just get in there to unbolt that side, and the same on the other side. So these two are a 16mm. There we go. So that literally goes up there onto that. You can see there, and then you can get them undone and get the top of the shocker off. I just put some wooden blocks underneath the shocker leg there, and I say I've just got the last nut to bolt to undo. Okay, so I've pulled it out just so you can see it. That's the top leg undone, and I'll just undo the bottom one. So the bottom shocker leg is 21mm, and based on the fact that I've already done one side, it is tight and it's an absolute pig. So it's probably better if you can get a ratchet spanner. So yep, I'll just undo that. So with lots of persuasion, I've got the shocker leg off. So you just flip this top cap off with your nails, and you've got that bolt and the centre shock absorber pin. I bought this, and basically it's like a flat pin bolt with a socket on the outside that you literally push that on, push that in until it bites. There, socket, you hold one and turn that with the spanner. So that's it with a 22mm and that brace. Now I'll just wind that off. So there we go, that's about ready to come out. So that's the new shocker leg. Say when you take that off, it will expand, and it's a bit awkward to get under the wheel arch, so potentially it protect your wheel arch when trying to get it in. So see, that's just dust there, that's me. But yeah, protect that as you get it in. So I'll put the top back on first. New shocker leg. I'm just about to nip that up with that spanner again. So that's on nice. Once again, I'll show the end of it so you can just see. I think I managed to do that with a spanner and a 7mm and a box spanner on that. So I'll just have a look. No, I lied to you, it's actually a smaller spanner than that. I'm not sure which size this is, but let's just... There we go. say from doing them in the past, my advice is to get one of them anyway. It's just not worth the hassle. So anyway, that's nice and tight now, and then you've got your cap that just fits over the top. Job done. Right, so I've got that back on, the bolts there ready to nip up, and as you can see, I see a lot of people that actually take this plastic cover all off, so this, but to be honest with you, there's no reason why you can't get in there at them without actually putting any deliberate force on this to damage it. So I'm just going to nip them up now. As you can see, that's a 16mm bar, so yeah, they're nice and tight both sides. So it's just a matter now of tucking that behind there, look, and popping them clips back on there, and then off to the bottom bolt. So that's the clip and the back, you can see. So all you do is just, if I can get to show you, not rocket science, just a bit of a pig to do. So you just actually just either push them on or slide them on. I tend to just push them. So what I tend to do is just riddle up and down to make sure they don't come off, pull them out of it. Bottom shocker bolt is, say the socket for that, 21mm. Right, that's on, so it's just a matter of putting that plastic cap on. There we go, just pushed on, job done. So wheel back on, finally, plastic caps, just to push on. Then lower the car down and take it for a ride.